Hi, I'm Olga. I'm the CPQ specialist here at SaleSqueze, and I help companies like yours to explore the benefits of the all-in-one CPQ platform that is really transforming the way businesses sell their products. Now, what you get with SaleSqueze is three key benefits. There is a visual configurator, which empowers your customers to configure the product, see real-time pricing, and only submit inquiries when they're really ready to buy. Obviously, faster quoting, which automates the tedious parts of the quoting process so your team can really focus on high value tasks and close deals faster. And it's fully automated. So configurator and the platform integrate with your existing systems automatically and gathers customer information, generates personalized quotes, and tracks pipeline without any manual effort. Now, in this quick walkthrough, I'll take you on a tour of the SaleSqueze platform. I'll show you how the platform helps your customers and how it can really make the job of your sales team much easier and much more focused. What is maybe important to mention is that SaleSqueze is already trusted by some leading brands across a variety of industries like manufacturing, construction, outdoor equipment. And whether you sell complex products or simply configurable ones, SaleSqueze has the tools to streamline the sales process. Now, at the heart of the SaleSqueze is our powerful configurator builder, and it has a really easy to use drag and drop interface. You can create custom configurators without any coding. And obviously, if you ever need our help, we're here to assist you every step of the way. Now, the configurators are embedded onto your website seamlessly, so it's simply copy a single line of code and you're ready to go. I will show you, or let's together take a look at how the customer would use this configurator to create an inquiry and customize a very simple pergola. So I will show you the case that I already prepared. As you see, this is a 3D model of a pergola. It looks really pretty. There are some automations here, like we can toggle the roof, we can play with the slats here. We can influence the sun position depending on where the pergola will be located in your garden. So essentially giving you that full experience, immersive experience of how it will look. In this particular pergola case, there are several options to choose from in terms of the model, the type. So I'll just select a wall-mounted one like this. And we can choose the dimensions. There are already some standard dimensions that are available here, but we can also play with the custom dimensions. So let's see. We will choose which side of the pergola will be mounted to the house in this case. We can influence the roof type selection, but importantly, you will notice here that the price is in real time calculated based on the customer's preferences, which makes it really easy for them to understand how this particular product fits their budget. We can choose the colors in the next step. Let's say there are some standard colors, but we can also go for multiple color choices if this is something that your product allows for. We can choose the type of slats, direction, and I will try to make this really simple. We can add some lights here. Let's say I want them on the front, back, right, and left. So I can immediately see the LED lights here, and you can even play with the different type of lights. In the next step, we can see that this already influences our price extensively. We can choose how we want to close this pergola. So I always like the wood lamellas. They look really pretty and they provide a really nice sun protection. And I can do this selection of the sides closing for every part of my pergola in this case. So let's choose that the left side will have a screen rollo. And in the next step, I can say that I want to motorize the screen Rollo here. So the manufacturer actually receives the full inquiry, including my selections, and in the end I get a motorized screen Rollo here. We can add some extras depending on what you as a manufacturer are able to offer to your customers. You can see the ventilator is nicely added here, so I can immediately see how that will look. And in the next step, I will add this pergola to create an inquiry. Essentially, the entire process for the customer is made really easy because they see the product they selected, they see the pricing, and they can still see how the bill of materials look. This is of course up to you whether you want to show it or not, but here we see all the add-ons and extras that actually influence the price. In the next step, I am going to send my inquiry to the manufacturer because I'm really happy with how this looks. And here I will enter my information. So once I enter my information, obviously this view is totally, the form is up to you. You can ask for the phone number or maybe the location, depending on how you calculate the shipping costs. This is a very, very simple one. And once I request the quote, the system will tell me that now I've submitted the inquiry for a review. And in the next step, sales team has to prepare the quote when I will also have to confirm that quote. So what happens on your side is that you have received this inquiry. Here it is. So you get this beautiful dashboard with all the incoming inquiries, all the quotes that you've sent and processed, and the ones that are confirmed, which means that they could go to the production and you can have all teams super informed on whatever is incoming. Now to take a look at the inquiry we just created together. So this is it. This is the pergola that we've configured. You see there's like a screenshot of this pergola. We can see the price. Everything looks pretty clear. So as a salesperson on your team, I will just go ahead to prepare a quote. And in the next step, I'm still able to influence the final quote. Let's say that you were in touch with the customer and they saw that you have some special running. You can still, in this part of the process, add some discounts. Let's say 10% winter sales discount. So it immediately reflects on this quote that I'm about to send. I can add a note here, or maybe use this field to provide any specific terms and conditions that are associated with this quote. For example, some of our customers will put in some payment instructions here, also give like a very rough sketch of a timeline when the customer could expect this project to be finished. And here you can even upload attachments like a brochure maybe, or some additional information that is required depending on if you work directly with customers or with dealers. Here, some of our customers attach dealer instructions, so they have like the full package of all the information they require to move on. In the next step, we will prepare this quote to be sent out. This is how the email that you will send out will look. And obviously this is just a test, but it will have your name and your customer's name. Here we can enter more personalization. And if we're happy, we will just send the quote. Our customer will receive it. They could just see the quote with the click on the link. And this is it. It's sent out. So you see, it's really, really quick and easy process for your team, but also for your customers. And you can keep really nice track of everything that's happening. One important thing to mention is that we also have a nice lead qualification engine on the back end. So using this information, you can always see with the little fire icon when the customer is actively engaging with the quote, meaning that they're probably either confused, have more questions if they didn't submit the confirmation yet. And it's a nice little signal for you to be in touch with them, see if you can offer some more help or advice to get them going more easily. Now, given that we're at the end of our tour, I wanted to mention that if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to use the live chat feature in the bottom right corner of your screen. Our team is standing by to assist you. And if you want to see how SaleSqueze platform can help transform your business moving forward, feel free to be in touch, book a demo, and let us think of a solution for your specific product and your specific needs. Thank you so much for sticking around with me today. Thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you and help you sell more.